How to build credit score fast in the USA. Your credit score controls your life in America. It decides how much interest you pay, whether you get approved for loans, even how much you pay for insurance. And here's the shocking truth. Most Americans are destroying their credit score without even realizing it. But today, I'll show you how to build your credit score fast in the USA using simple steps anyone can follow. Stay till the end because the last tip can boost your score faster than anything else. Your credit score is not about how rich you are. It's about how trustworthy you look to lenders. The good news: you don't need a high income. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to understand how the credit system actually works. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Understand what builds your credit score. Your credit score is based on 5 main factors. Payment history 35%. Credit utilization 30%. Credit age 15%. Credit mix 10%. Hard inquiries 10%. If you focus on just the first 2, you can improve your score much faster than most people. Step 2. Pay every bill on time. This is the most important rule. Even one late payment can drop your score by 50 to 100 points. Not just credit cards, but phone bills, utility bills, loans. Set auto pay for at least the minimum amount. On-time payments tell lenders this person can be trusted. Step 3. Keep credit utilization low. This is where most Americans fail. Credit utilization means backhand index pointing right how much credit you're using compared to your limit. Example: if your credit limit is $1,000 and you're using $700, that's 70% utilization, very bad. Golden rule: under 30% is good. Under 10% is excellent. If possible, pay your balance before the statement date, not just the due date. This alone can boost your score within 30-60 days. Step 4. Stop applying for too much credit. Every time you apply for credit, a hard inquiry hits your report. Too many inquiries make you look desperate. If you're rebuilding credit, avoid store cards. Avoid easy approval offers. Apply only when necessary. Step 5. Keep old accounts open. Closing old credit cards can hurt your score. Why? Because it shortens your credit history. It increases utilization. Even if you don't use an old card, keep it open with a zero balance. Age equals trust in the credit system. Step 6. Check your credit report. Millions of Americans have errors on their credit reports. Wrong balances, accounts that aren't yours, late payments that never happened. Check your report from Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. Disputing even one mistake can raise your score fast. Step 7. Use credit building tools. If your credit is low or new, use tools designed to help. Secured credit cards, credit builder loans, authorized user accounts. These tools report positive activity without the risk of large debt. Used correctly, they can add months of credit history quickly. FASD credit boost strategy. Here's the fastest legal way to boost credit. Pay balances down below 10%. Turn on auto pay. Stop new applications. Keep accounts open. Many people see results in 30-90 days. Credit building is not magic. It's consistency. Your credit score is not permanent. It changes based on what you do today. Fix the system, and your score follows. If you want simple money systems, AI tools, and smart strategies Americans are using to win financially, subscribe to the money system. Because better credit means lower interest, more freedom, and more control over your future.